crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Melinda, which is Strawberry May 1400. She says, thank you for hosting a fun Halloween swap. I did your hostess gift a little different than I normally do. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for returning postage. But look how cute her little card is. She's done the boo bucket and it's pink, and inside she's got a little spider. So cute. So this is mine. I have her swap here too because I don't like, she said that she did things a little differently, so I'm gonna probably have to open up two. I'm not quite sure, so I'm gonna open this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I opened the package. So she's got this cute little tag on here. And then look how these are cute little ghosty bags that she's got. So like this is her swap, or one of her swaps. So they're all slightly different bags, but they're so cute. So I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. And we have these. You know, I looked at these and I was like, what can I do with these? And what, like, you know, how can I alter these to make them cool? Like you can definitely like see like the forks do something. I'm not quite sure, but I appreciate this because yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I will figure out something. Oh, so we have a cute little sucker. Oh, it's a candy cane. It is cotton candy. I don't know why I said candy cane. Probably because I was just watching like Christmas videos. But she's got this cute little sucker holder. Isn't that cute? It's a cute little die. And then she's got a boo bucket. Was it her? I seen somebody that was 3D printing these. But look how cute. The ghosty. Oh. So in here we have rosettes. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh, I can't wait to use them. Oops. Look at the kitty. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm so excited. Like this, I love boo buckets. They just are so nostalgic for me. I don't know why. I love them. And I'm so disappointed in the ones this year. I don't know if you guys have seen the designs for the boo buckets this year, but they're like monsters and I'm just so highly disappointed. And then she's got picks. So I did not pick these up, so I'm happy to have these. They're like little witch boots. We have the witch hats, which I do have, but it doesn't hurt to have extra in your stash. And then the little like zombie hands. I'm not quite sure. Maybe they are kind of witch hands. Maybe they're all witch. Like I thought they were zombie, but the more you look at them, they have like kind of long fingers and like pointy nails. So maybe it's like the witch hand, the witch hat, and then the witch boot. I'm not quite sure. But thank you so much for thinking of me, and I really appreciate it. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, that just warmed my heart. You guys are so great. I really appreciate you. So let me open up her embellishment box real quick. Okay, so here are the contents of her little swap bags. So she's got shred and a clay little mixture in her bag, and I think she's also got a sucker. What flavor is this one? This one is Choose to Smile. Oh, cherry cheesecake. I don't know if I've ever had that one. She's also got this super cute little like shakers. They're like little acetate pocket shakers that she's created. Those are really cute, and you can do this and you can do so much with this, even though it's a square, like so much with it. I love the little bag she's put in it. And let's see what this is real quick. Okay, so she's also created a boo bucket for you guys as well. These are so cute. And let's see what else it's also got rosettes in there as well. So I'm not going to show them. They might be slightly different than the one she created for me, or they could all be the same. But either way, I'm just going to leave them in there. This is like the cutest thing ever. She's so clever. And then here is her embellishment box. So cute. I love these little boxes. I've gotten them before, and I've gotten them mine from Walmart. I'm sure that they have them other places as well, but I've picked them up at Walmart. I don't remember how much they are, but they're great. So she's also got a boo bucket on the front of your embellishment box. You have flowers here, and she's done little nail charms and beads in the center of her flowers. So cute. So cute. She's got her information on the back. All right, let's get into it. Oh, so many things, and I did shake it up, didn't I? Let's see if I can get them back in their spot. Okay, so in this one we have a bunch of beads. There's green beads, there's a little cauldron, there's bones, there's little pink beads with little stars on them. So cute. And here we have this little flat back, and then she's got a bunch of little like iridescent type of beads, but she's also got these purple stars, which are gorgeous, and these other little like iridescent stars. And this one, she's got a different clay bead mix. I love these little, like, I don't know, they remind me of like Smarties. I call them like Smartie beads. Love them. And then some other clay beads in here. And then, oh, I think this guy was over here. I don't think it really matters. And then we have all these faceted beads over here that look like little disco balls. These are so popular. I love these beads right now. And then in this one, let's kind of zoom you guys in so I don't have to lift it. Look at that, like, ghost lollipop. So cute. This Jemmy over here. Another lollipop. We have a little enamel trick-or-treat bag. And there's candies, little flatback candies. She's got other little lollipops in here. She's got candy corns, gummy bears, and all kinds of good stuff in that one. In this one, she has all different little die cuts. These are great. There's little ghosties, there's bats, there's bones, but these are perfect just to add on to like packaging, rosettes. There's so many uses for these now, and you just don't have to cut them out. They're already cut out for you. So like uses like the, you know, cards, rosettes, so many different uses. And then she's got these jelly rhinestones, and this one of all different colors. Love a good jelly rhinestone. And then we have beads in this one. So we have this ghosty. Oh, look at these little ghosties trying to hold hands with a heart. And then there's this pink pumpkin. And then there's all types of little nail charms in here. There's ghosties, there's Frankies, there's witch brooms. There's so much in there. In this one, she's got a little ribbon sample. I actually have this ribbon too, and it is so pretty. Like, this color is gorgeous. Love that. And then, oh, look at this little ghosty. He's so cute. I don't know if she's made it or not, but it's just a little piece of fabric with like a little bead in the head, and it's got a little heart and its little eyes. So cute. And then more die cuts, but these ones are a little bit more elaborate. So she's got like jemmies on the cat eyes, the pumpkin's got faces, the ghost is a little embellished. She's got a coffin. She's got little candy corns. Oh, here's a silicone bead down here on the bottom. But these are great. So many things to just kind of get going, like embellish stuff. I mean, that's the point of an embellishment box, right? To like be ready to take it out and just start embellishing things. So thank you so much, Melinda. This is a great swap. I absolutely love the little boo basket. It's great. Yes, thank you for participating in another swap. Please go give her some crafty love over on Instagram and here on YouTube. And we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.